Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu, and good day everyone. I am Normen Biston of Ganasi National High School, and I am your teacher in Aralin Panlipunan 12, which is Understanding the Culture, Society, and Politics. Now, did you observe that every day we used to deal or have a conversation or an interactions with the other people? Yes, of course, we did. And obviously, we interact and we deal with them because we need them. As they said that no man is an island. So obviously, we cannot live without them. Now, this scenario has a connection with our lesson for today, which is to discuss and explain the context, the content, processes, and consequences of socialization. Now, today, we are going to discuss about socialization. So what do you mean by socialization? Socialization is a lifelong process of social interaction through which person acquire their identities and necessary survival skills in the society. Which means it is a lifetime process in dealing or interacting with the other people, in which you can acquire your own identity and personality, and above all, you will know how to live in your own way. Look at these pictures. By merely seeing and observing these pictures, you will simply understand what socialization is. Let's proceed to the contents of socialization. So what are those contents of socialization? We have the ideas, values, beliefs, social norms, customs and traditions, expectations, and social skills that are passed on by the members of the society to the rest of it. Those are the elements of socialization in order for us to understand what the content of socialization is. Now, if you are going to acquire, accept, apply, adjust, and adapt those contents of socialization, then those are some of the processes of socialization, such as sharing information and ideas to the other people. Another one is influencing others with your beliefs and practices. Another thing is when you observe the social norm in your community and observe and adopt your own culture. Now, in other words, through socialization, we internalize the culture of our society. Besides, through the agents of socialization, we can simply understand and observe the processes of socialization. What are those agents of socialization? We have the family, school, peer, mass media, and public opinion. Now, in the case of family, basically our parent will teach us the basic knowledge that we need in order for us to use that knowledge in interacting or socializing with the other people. The second agent of socialization is school. Students learn to interact with the other people who are initially stranger to them and who may have social background that differs from their own. The third one is pair. Children will discover a new setting for social activity who share common interest, social position, and similar age. Now, in the case of mass media, we explore many things, such as watching TV, listening to radio, reading magazines and newspapers, or even surfing with the use of internet. Now, the last one is the public opinion. This is actually the attitudes of the people throughout the society by one or more controversial issues within it. Now, in the case of engaging and socializing with the other people in your community, then you will experience and observe the consequences of socialization. So what are those consequences of socialization? Now, the first consequences of socialization is establishes self-concept. Now, if you open and engage yourself to the other people, then you will discover and realize your true identity and personality. If you keep on socializing or interacting with the other people, then you will learn or you will be knowledgeable how to take the rule of others. Now, the third one is to create the tendency for people to act in socially acceptable ways. Now, in this case, you will be more responsible enough in practicing or observing what is socially acceptable in your society. Now, the last consequences of socialization is to make people bearers of culture. Now, society transmits cultural values to its members. That is one of the reasons that if you deal or if you interact with the other people within your community, then you will simply adopt and acquire those cultural values. Now today, you learned something about the context, content, processes, and consequences of socialization. Now, I am expecting that you learned something and understand about our topic for today. Once again, I am Normen A. Biston of Ganasi National High School, your teacher in Aralin-Panlipunan 12, which is Understanding the Culture, Society, and Politics.